I'm gonna go eat this whole thing by myself. Sorry, Angela.
No.
Hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jen and this is Jen Ed. Today we're gonna go back down to the kitchen and we're gonna learn how to make a buffalo chicken cheese dip. It is keto friendly, but that doesn't mean I don't eat keto. It means you don't eat this. This is amazing. This is so good. It was introduced to me as chicken crack. Okay? I thought that was a silly name for what it was, but right now I'm going to put an advisory on this video. If you like buffalo chicken at all, do not eat this, because you'll never stop eating it. You will make it all the time. It's a problem. Now let's not waste any time. It's been about 48 hours since I've had any chicken crack, and I need to bring some up to my neighbor's house so we can hang out. Let's go! Mesdames et messieurs, I would like to introduce you to Robert the Robocou. He is older than I am and he's a very hard-working fellow. And Robert loves chicken crack, don't you? Yeah, he does. Okay, first step for chicken crack, obviously, is the chicken. I couldn't get any rotisserie chicken from the store because I worked too late, but we got pre-cooked chicken, and it's close to what I like. I'm just gonna pulse this until it's at like a pretty chunky texture. Like, I still want to chew chicken. I don't want a paste made of chicken and buffalo and cheese. That would be gross. So I think that's good enough. You can see all up in there, there's plenty of actual chunks of meat. Okay, for the cheesy part, we're gonna need... Shut up! Shut up! Alright, for the cheesy part, we're gonna need a block of cream cheese. So that was 8 ounces of cream cheese. Now we're gonna do 8 ounces of delicious blue cheese. Just crumble it up. I really like the tang of blue cheese, so I'm gonna use about 8 ounces of blue cheese because I really like it. If you're not such a big fan of blue cheese, maybe use a little less. My last ingredient I'm going to throw in here before I let Monsieur Robert do his work is... My last ingredient I'm going to throw in here before I let Monsieur Robert do his job is Frank's Red Hot Sauce. Like, ugh. Just smelling it, I'm so hungry already. So I have a 12-ounce bottle and I put about half the bottle in there. That's 6 ounces of the hot sauce, which again, if you're not a huge fan of Frank's, then maybe use a little bit less or use a different sauce. It's up to you, man. Don't let anybody tell you how to make your buffalo cheese sauce. Now I'm going to turn this on and just let it go until it's completely smooth. Alright, this is what it looks like when it's done. It's perfectly smooth. And it smells so good. Well, this is awkward. This is the part where I forgot to record, apparently. And so you're just gonna have to figure out how to mix that cheese into the chicken, put it into the pan, and sprinkle some cheddar cheese on top. You can do it. I believe in you. Alright, this beautiful baby is about to go into an oven. Preheated at 375 degrees. I'm going to set the timer for 10 minutes and I'll just see how it looks. Okay. So at this point it's been about 20 minutes and Angela's going to help me get this out of the oven. Usually it wouldn't take so long, but we've made a lot of dip. And it's melty and it smells like buffalo chicken. And I am so excited to eat this, but I probably shouldn't right now because it's lava. Alright, I think this is cool enough to eat now. I'm eating keto. Angela's not, so Angela's probably going to have this with tortilla chips. But another good thing to dip in here is vegetables, and my favorite vegetable is the cucumber, which I slice at an angle so I get maximum surface space for maximum dippage. Like,
oh my god.
I fucking love this. This is so good. So you may have noticed there was a scenery change towards the end there. I had a mild mishap in my own kitchen where I ran out of gas for the stove. So we had to bake this in Angela's kitchen and there's leftovers and they're gonna be delicious. So if you like this video and recipes like this, just make sure that you hit a thumbs up on this video so I know. Hit the subscribe button so you get to see more. And don't forget to hit the bell. It gives you alerts. It's awesome. You know you want to know the exact moment that I post these priceless gems. So I gotta go, but I might actually be back in a couple of days. I might have another recipe that I would like to share. Maybe. We'll see. But everybody else, have a great day. Bye!